Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to refund Air New Zealand plane tickets in 2024. Of course, whether your plans have changed or you just need as an example to cancel your flight. Understanding how to get a refund from Air New Zealand is essential. So in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to request a refund for Air New Zealand plane tickets. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. But before requesting a refund, it's important to understand that Air New Zealand, of course, refund policy will make change. So Air New Zealand's example offers different refund options based on the ticket type and fare rules. Like fully refundable fares can be refunded to the original form of payment, while, as an example, non-refundable fares might only be eligible for travels, credits, or maybe some vouchers for future use or something like that. But as an example, if you make your booking within 24 hours, you can refund it fully if you cancel it within 24 hours. Whether it's the worst plan, the best plan, refundable, not refundable, you'll be able to refund it fully if you cancel it within 24 days of the booking date. Keep that in mind. So basically, we'll need to see the policy of a refund and see if we're eligible for a refund before requesting a refund. Of course, I'll show you how to do a refund first of all, then you can simply go through the policy of refund. So just go here to the URL section. All you need to do, just type Air New, so Air New Zealand as an example. Here, of course, I'll just type refund like policy in here. I'll just go and open that in a new tab and I'll remove this and then go to their website. So, of course, if you are sure that your fare is fully refundable and you don't have to check if you should like go through or you should not check if you are eligible for a refund or not, if you're sure that your fare is refundable, there's, of course, two cases. In case you book your plane while you're signing into your account, and in case you book your flight as a guest. So if you book it and you're signing into your account, all you need to do, just go here and click on sign in. Make sure then to sign in into your account. Once you sign in, you'll find your profile at the top right corner. Click on it. As an example here, just go and sign in into your accounts. Very simple. Then once you sign in, you'll find here, instead of signing your account, your profile, click on it. Click on my trips, my bookings, whatever it is in there. Once you click on it, you'll find your trip that you book right there. Just go and hit the cancel button. And once you go through the process of canceling, you'll be able to simply request your refund after canceling it. Of course, once it's you finish the process of a refund request, you'll need to wait from 7 to 10 business days until you get your money refunded to the original form of payment. Of course, that's if you're sure your fare is refundable. If you're not sure, make sure to review the refund policy. Of course, just not to waste time and wait for 7 to 10 days and then you get a refund. Of course, now what if I book my ticket as a guest? I don't have an account. So you have two choices. Either you go to your email provider, the email that you enter while you buy your ticket, you'll have to enter one, definitely. Let's say, as an example, it's this one. So, of course, in that email, you'll find like your tickets in here. If you scroll down, you'll find like if you want to cancel your trip, your booking, you'll find the blue link. Just go and click on that link. Once you click on it, you'll be able to cancel that specific trip or booking. And then you'll be able to request a refund and you'll have to wait from 7 to 10 business days, as we said. The other option is simply go into their website and click on manage booking. And here, as you can see, you'll have to enter two things. First of all, the booking references or reference, you'll find it on your ticket. Just go and you'll find that. And then the family name. Enter that, click on continue. They will display your trip or your booking in there. Once they display it, you can click on cancel. And then once the process of cancellation is done, you can simply request your refund and you should be good to go. As simple as that. As I said, you will have to wait from 7 to 10 business days until you get your refund to the original form of payment. If you didn't get it, maybe you were not eligible for it, or you can simply just contact the support and maybe as example something happened wrong or something like that. If you want to check if you're eligible or not, you'll need to check the policy of refund as example. So check to see if you're eligible to apply for a refund. From here, you can simply check refund eligibility. Of course, you can check even your credit balance, and here you can use your credit book. So what we care about is to check if we are refund eligibility. So, as example, eligibility of refund. First, only refundable under the following criteria: if it was specified in the original conditions of your fare, or local legislation requires a refund when a flight is cancelled by the operating airline, or your booking with us is cancelled or delay due to reason within Air New Zealand control, and it meets the criteria outlined here and the conditions of carriage. As example, you can read them all out here. As example, here they are. So I'll just go and pause a little bit. You can pause the video, of course, and read whatever you want in here. I'm not going to read this all. It will take forever. And yeah, as you can see, or the request qualifies for the Air New Zealand COVID-19 compassion. So this is for COVID. Like, I don't think it's applied right now, but of course, you can also see that if you want to. And or, as example, a partial refund may be generated in cases of an unexpected critical medical emergency or bereavement with a compassionate fare, as example. So you can see that also from here. So yeah, I'll just pause through everything so you can simply just read this out. I know I'm going from the bottom to the top, but whatever. So yeah, of course here this is the of COVID if you want to read this also. So yeah, as simple as that. As you can see, refundable fare type, you can simply find the full details on here, the fare rule page, and your fare type is noted on the receipts page of your e-tickets. So you can see even relevant local legislation if you want to see it in here. And yeah, of course, I'll just go and open that. For example, if you want to see this, every fare has a specific thing, so you'll have to go and look for your fare. Maybe this is your fare. You can click on it and you'll be able to see if it's refundable or not, what you'll need to pay if you want to refund it or something like that. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.